As per our sort of current Bitcoin money cost expectation, the worth of Bitcoin money will expanded by 246.29%, coming to $476.83 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the ongoing feeling by and large is bullish, while the apprehension and eagerness file is perusing 18.35, which for the most part implies intense trepidation. Our Bitcoin money gauge, it's essentially purchased Bitcoin money at the present time. On Walk 21, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while pretty different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall bullish opinion among Bitcoin money cost forecasts, which is very critical. See the specific Bitcoin money cost expectation beneath. You will know the amount Bitcoin money is in every way that really matters, worth in the next few long stretches of time, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Throughout the course of recent days, Bitcoin money has diminished by 2.40%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a fundamentally slight recuperation in the approaching month, toward the finish of spring, the worth of Bitcoin money expanded by 111.30% and came to approach around $281.46. Presently, all markers are demonstrating bullish zone, and the apprehension and veracity file for the most part shows 18.35 by and large intense feelings of trepidation. As per our estimate, this isn't the ideal opportunity to purchase Bitcoin money in a truly significant manner. As of now, Bitcoin money explicitly is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving normal, which is very huge. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Bitcoin money purchasing in every practical sense. Signal. The cost of Bitcoin money is at present running beneath the 50-day fundamentally basic moving normal, and it shows a purchase certainly signal in a genuinely significant manner. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will, in every way that really matters, hit $117.03 toward the finish of December in an unobtrusive manner. By December 2023-2024, Bitcoin Cash's momentary 50-day SMA generally shows a $130.06, or so they essentially thought. The General Strength Record Force Oscillator is a famous marker that signals whether a digital currency is oversold or overbought. RSI, in every practical sense, is right now at RSI value in a huge manner. This shows that the BCH market is in an impartial position. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, Bitcoin money came to $137.87 when it dipped under $96.56, interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Bitcoin money is en route to passing the $290.74 mark before the current year's over. Before $290.74, it might explicitly break its sign of $4,355.62 and truly reach, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers. Bitcoin money will for the most part break its past all-time kind of high of $4,355.62 and hold somewhere in the range of $285.14 and $290.74 soon. At this point, on 21 Walk 2023, Bitcoin money is exchanging at $133.20, and its 24-hour exchanging volume for the most part is around 210.1 M, and it makes number 27 cash in the entire crypto world, or so they thought. Bitcoin money value forecast 2024. There explicitly is plausible that Bitcoin money can get through the $342.91 hindrance and truly hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Bitcoin money cost will be between $286.05 to $342.91, and the most probable Bitcoin money cost will be consistent at around $323.74 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Bitcoin Cash's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its naturally hostile energy utilization, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Bitcoin money will sort of reach $342.91 toward the finish of 2024 or by and large mid-2024. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that BCH will begin the year at $391.72 and exchange around $476.83, as indicated by their expectations. This would be incredibly high contrasted with a year ago. This especially is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2026. There is a great opportunity that Bitcoin Money 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost, yet it is likewise especially conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $612.34 level, which basically is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Money basically is anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed high of $554.19 or $612.34 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of Bitcoin Money. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2027. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation, or BCH, will encounter huge development in 2027 as it for the most part can possibly by and large accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap, or so they thought. Bitcoin Cash's cost really is supposed to outperform $612.34 in 2027 in a significant manner. It has been anticipated that Bitcoin Money will arrive at the greatest cost of $612.34, and the base cost is supposed to for the most part be around $512.51 and genuinely next a long time from 2027. Bitcoin Money Conjecture 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee generally say that Bitcoin Money Value Forecast and Specialized Examination. Bitcoin Money is supposed to really cross a value level of $667.04 in 2028, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. In the meantime, Bitcoin Money truly is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $632.38 this year, which generally is genuinely critical. The most extreme cost might reach $718.27. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Bitcoin Money Value Expectation and Specialized Examination in every practical sense foresee that the expense of Bitcoin Money will in a real sense reach $977.64. And the cost of BCH ought to reach $977.64 before the year's over. Furthermore, BCH can reach up to $898.99 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will especially bring critical years for Bitcoin Money development in an all things considered significant way. BCH Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, Bitcoin Money Value Forecast basically are supposed to really cross the $1,373.44 kind of normal cost level, as per Bitcoin Money figure in Specialized Examination. Incredibly, toward the finish of 2030, Bitcoin Cash's base cost is supposed to be $1,298.71. Furthermore, BCH can essentially arrive at a greatest value level of $1,384.20. Toward the finish of 2030, Bitcoin Money will have an extremely normal cost of $1,384.20. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift in a significant manner. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2031. Bitcoin Money cost is assessed to in a real sense reach $1,830.71 by 2031, at least, with a truly normal exchanging cost of $1,894.43 all through 2031. Bitcoin Cash's worth could in every way that really matters come to $1,912.82 at its in a real sense the most noteworthy. The experts anticipate that the most extreme cost should exchange around $1,894.43.